Here I have Huawei Y5 2018 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. Here you should choose your desired language, so in my case let me choose English, for instance from United States. So let me just find the United States, it should be at the top of the list right here. Alright, here you can also make some emergency calls or change some vision settings. Let's tap next. You can insert SIM card, but you may also skip this part by tapping skip. You can activate your device without a SIM card. Here let me agree to terms of use. Tap next. Let's tap here something about weather service, so you can agree to the service or you can disagree. Let me disagree in my case. Tap next. So here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your Wi-Fi connection. So the device is connecting. Now let's tap next. Okay, so here you can copy apps and data by using some backup, or you can set up your device as a new. So let me do it. Let me set up my phone as a new. Here you can sign in into the Google account. So let me just do it. You can also skip it, but Google account enables a couple of interesting features. So let me enter the email. Let's tap next. Here you have to enter the password, so let me do it. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, if you're ready, let's tap next here. Let's accept terms of use and policy privacy. The device getting account info. Here you can enable backup to Google Drive and help apps find your location. You may also improve location accuracy and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled, so let me just leave it, tap more and agree. Here you can use some kind of the protection by using a logs type, but let me do it later. Tap skip anyway. Here let me also skip the data transfer, tap OK. You can also set up some device protection, face unlock or password, but let me skip it. The phone is checking some info. Let me also skip the Google Assistant, and your phone is ready to use. Let's tap get started, and now you can activate the home screen and start using your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.